Discord bot commands not working? In the next 60 seconds, let's fix the most common issues, fast. Step 1. Check if the bot is actually online. Look at the member list. If your bot shows as offline, restart it from your hosting panel or bot dashboard. If the bot is online but still not responding, try using a different channel to rule out channel-specific issues. Also watch for errors in the bot's console or log page. If you host it yourself, an error here can explain why commands fail. If everything looks normal so far, it's time to check permissions and prefixes, the two biggest culprits. First, check the bot's role permissions. Go to Server Settings, then Roles, and select your bot's role. Make sure the bot has permissions like View Channel, Send Messages, and use application commands enabled for the channels you use. Next, confirm the command prefix. If your bot uses a custom prefix, typing the wrong one will make it look like commands are broken. Try the default prefix from the bot's documentation, or use /commands if your bot supports them. Finally, check channel-specific settings. Right-click the channel, open Edit Channel, then Permissions, and confirm the bot isn't blocked there. Once the bot is online, has the right permissions, and you're using the correct prefix, your command should work again. Hit subscribe for more quick Discord fixes.